Hello students, today we will revise the remaining types of this chapter, remainder factor theorem. First, have a look on the objectives. So far we have done these 7 objectives. Now we will revise next 2 objectives today. So objective number 8 is to factorize completely. Objective number 9 is to factorize completely by using hit and trial method. This is our objective number 9. Also, we have done so many sums of the topic. So now, we all are well known about these 3 steps. Step number 1 is let fx is equals to given polynomial. Step number 2 is put binomial equals to 0. Step number 3 is remainder is equals to f of that value of x. Now we will put this value of x in first polynomial. Now before going to the sum of the next type, I want to discuss a sum related to algebraic long division. So here statement is divide 8x cube minus 10x square minus x plus 3 by x minus 1. So students, we will do this division by using long division method, which we have done in your previous class. This is 8x cube minus 10x square minus x plus 3 we will write inside and x minus 1 we will write outside. You know the first step, these first terms will be divided by using rule of division. This will become 8x square. Now this 8x square will become the quotient. Now this 8x square will be multiplied with this x minus 1. So after multiplying, we have got 8x cube minus 8x. This 8x cube minus 8x square we will write here under this. Now we will do sign lock and change. This will cut with this. Now this will give me minus 2x square. Now I will bring this minus x from up. This become 2x minus 2x square minus x. Now again these first terms will be divided. So after dividing, here I have done the rough work, minus 2x square upon x. I have got minus 2x. This minus 2x will again become the quotient. Now this minus 2x will be multiplied with this x minus 1. So after multiplying, I have got minus 2x square plus 2x. This minus 2x square plus 2x will be written here under this. Now again repeat those steps, sign lock and change. These both will cut. After doing this minus minus, sign of minus, add the numbers. I have got minus 3x. Here last number is 3. We will bring it down. Again do the division step, that is minus 3x upon x is equals to minus 3. This is the quotient, so write it here, minus 3. And also this minus 3 multiply with x minus 1. I have got minus 3x plus 3. This will be written here. Again do sign lock and change. Now this both will cut, which will give me remainder as is equals to 0. And this is your quotient, that is 8x square minus 2x minus 3. Now students, that discussion of long division sum will help us in this type number 8 and also in next type, that is type number 9. So here is the type number 8, that is to factorize completely. Here I have taken the statement as show that x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8, hence factorize completely. So we will repeat those 3 steps. Step number 1, let fx is equals to this polynomial. Step number 2, x minus 1 is equals to 0, therefore x equals to 1. Step number 3, remainder is equals to f of 1. Now in statement it is written that show that this is a factor of this. If I will prove that remainder will be 0, only then it will be the factor, as you all know. Now after putting x equals to 1 in first equation, what we have got? 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 14 into 1 minus 8. After doing this calculation and here collect like signs, I have got 15 minus 15, which have given me remainder as 0. Now remainder is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of fx. This completes your first part till here. Now I have to go to second part, that is hence factorize completely. For this part we need long division, which I have told you. So we have to do long division of this by using long division method. Now x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 divided by x minus 1. What is the step number 1? As I told you, these first terms will be divided. Here x cube will be divided by x. So I have got x square. This x square will become the quotient. So write it here. Now this x square will be multiplied with this x minus 1. After multiplying by using arrow method, we have got x cube minus x square, which we will write here. Now sign lock and change. These two will cut. It will give me minus 6x square. Now we have to bring this 14x down. Now again divide these first terms. After dividing, this minus 6x will become the quotient. Write it here. Also we have to multiply it with x minus 1. After multiplying, we have got 6x square plus 6x minus 6x square plus 6x. Write it here. Sign lock and change. This will cut. Now 8x minus 8. This will come from up minus 8x. Again divide. This x will cut with this x and it will give me 8. Here I will write plus 8 because no sign was here, so that's why I will write plus 8. After multiplying, I have got 8x minus 8. Now sign lock and change. These both will cut. Now we have got remainder as 0, so we will put cross here. Now come to the last step, that is we have to factorize, so we have to write all the factors of fx. So we will write fx is equals to, this was the factor, so I will write x minus 1. Also we will write this quotient here, that is x square minus 6x plus 8. Now students, you all know this is a quadratic expression, so we will solve it by using sum product method. So what is the sum here? Minus 6. What is the product here? Product is 1 into 8, that is 8. So what will be the factors? That will be minus 2 minus 4. Now we will write it here by using this sum product method or by splitting the middle term method. Now this x minus 1 will come as it is, x common, x minus 2 minus 4 common, x minus 2. So what will be the factors? X minus 1, x minus 4 and x minus 2. This is the final answer of your statement. Now come to the type number 9, that is to factorize completely by using hit and trial method. What is this hit and trial method? In this hit and trial method, we will not be given any binomial. Here we have to find the factors ourselves. So let's start with the sum. Statement is using remainder factor theorem, factorize x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4 completely. So now we have to find out the binomial ourselves. So for that, step number 1 is same, let fx is equals to. Here we will do one extra step, that is factors of 4. From where this 4 has come? From here, this constant term, not this one. Write all the factors of 4. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4 itself. We will write it with plus minus both signs. Now step number 2, we have to put these all the numbers one by one in this first expression to check whether it comes 0 or not. Wherever it will come 0, we will stop our putting the numbers on that step only. So let us first check on x is equals to 1. So if we'll put x equals to 1, what will be the remainder? Remainder equals to f1. So after solving this, we have got minus 6. Minus 6 is not equals to 0. So here we will write x minus 1 is not a factor of fx. From where this x minus 1 has come? From here. After shifting 1 to this side, it will become x minus 1. Now we have checked on x equals to 1. Now we will check on x equals to minus 1. So put x equals to minus 1. What will be the remainder? F of minus 1. So here we have solved and we have got the remainder as 0. So what is the factor? X plus 1. This minus 1 will come to this side. It will become x plus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of fx. This is the first part, that we have found the factor. Now we have to do factorize completely. For that we have discussed in our 8th type, we do long division method. Now we have to do long division of this by x plus 1. So let's start with the long division. Here is the sum, x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. We have to divide it by x plus 1. So repeat those long division steps. Step number 1, divide first terms, which will give me x square. This is the quotient. This x square will be multiplied with this x plus 1, which will give me x cube plus x square. This we will write here. So as students, you can see these both are opposite signs and coefficients also same, that is 1 1. So this will cut, this will also get cut. Now we will carry this minus 4x down. Also we will bring this minus 4 also down. Now again that step, minus 4x divided by x. Xx cut, minus 4 will be the quotient, write it here. And multiply with x plus 1, it will give me minus 4x minus 4. So again sign log can change. These cut. Now we are left with nothing, so I'll write cross here. Now we have to write the factors of fx. So fx is equals to, this is the factor, we will write x plus 1. Also we will write this quotient here. Now students, in previous sum, that is type number 8, we have solved this quotient by using sum product method. Here you can see that this is the type of the formula a square minus b square. So we will factorize it by using this formula a square minus b square, which we have done in your previous classes, that is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now you can write 4 as 2 square. So what is the value of a? That is x, and what is the value of b? That is 2. So which will give me the factors as x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. So students, this was the type number 9. I hope that this type is clear to you. Before winding up this type number 9, I want to tell you, if in statement it is given that this polynomial is equals to 0, we will do all the steps as it is. But at the end, that means after long division and after factorization, we will write here 0 and we will do one step, that is either x plus 1 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. So from here we will get 3 values of x, that is minus 1, plus 2 and minus 2. This will become the solution set. This is your answer of the statement if it is given that polynomial is equals to 0. So students, this was all about today's discussion. I hope that now you will be able to solve these types independently. Thank you. Have a nice day.